Happy holidays! Today we're gonna make a Jeon for Chuseok. Chuseok is one of the biggest holidays in Korea. It is Korean Thanksgiving Day. Hundreds of years ago, Korea's main industry was agriculture, and this time of year is a time for harvest. So most Koreans go back to their hometown to spend time with their family. And Jeon is one of the food that Koreans usually make in Chuseok holiday. So if you're ready, let's get started. Place the 220 grams of sliced pollack on a cutting board. Apply 1 teaspoon of cooking wine. Rub them using finger. Sprinkle pepper. Sprinkle of salt. Slice the green pumpkin in a 0.5 centimeters wide. Place them on a cutting board and sprinkle a salt on it. Leave them for 10 minutes so that salt and pepper will immerse with them very well. Cut the red pepper in half and remove the seeds inside. Slice the inner layer of red pepper like a sushi. Make the layer of red pepper as thin as possible. Remove the edges and slice them in a 0.3 centimeters wide. Cut them again into a diamond shape. We're gonna use this as a garnish in a green pumpkin jeon. Let's separate the eggs then. Crush 6 eggs on a net. Use small shift net to separate egg yolks from egg white. When this is done, use wooden spoon to strain egg white. Use wooden chopstick to whisk egg yolk. Put 1 spoon of cooking wine to each bowl. This process will remove any kinds of smell from eggs. Mix them very well. Put half cup of flour in a large bowl and put half cup of potato starch. Mix them using whisk. When it is done, coat both sides of seasoned pollack with a mixture of flour and potato starch. Try coating with them as even as possible. Put them on an egg white. Put 2 spoons of oil on a pan in a very low heat. Remember that you have to use the least amount of heat when you make a jeon, or else it'll burn. Put a battered pollack on a pan. I'm gonna garnish them using crown daisy. After 2 minutes, flip them to the other side and place the crown daisy on it. And don't make it overcook the side of battered pollack that you're gonna place crown daisy, for it has to be a little sticky. Place the crown daisy on a battered fish and let them cook for 5 minutes. And then flip them to the other side. Leave them for 1 minute and flip them to the other side. Let them cook for another 1 minute and place them on a dish. Also try to coat seasoned green pumpkin with a flour and egg yolk mixture. Put 2 spoons of oil on a pan in a very low heat. I'm gonna garnish them with a diamond-shaped red pepper that we made before. Place battered green pumpkin on a pan and flip it to the other side after 1 minute. Place the red pepper garnish on the green pumpkin like a petal. It looks so gorgeous! I'm so exhausted after all this work of making jeon, but it is always amusing to see the final result. So try making this at your home and share this with your family and friends. Happy holidays! So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!